Hey everyone, we are at Dutchess County Fishkill Auto and Motorcycle. We're standing on a Gerring Way, Fishkill Hill, New York, 12524. We really took exit I-84 east to exit 12, okay? Alright, so I just used the GPS on Gerring Way, so let's get into the traffic. Again, this seems like very easy road test site, guys. Again, there's not much of traffic going on. So again, you just pull out, just by the divider. Okay. Alright, so just going straight. And we're gonna make a left turn on a main street. And this is gonna be a little bit here. Just don't get confused. Well, gonna make a left turn, then you're also gonna make a left turn. Okay, here you go. Alright, we're just gonna make a right turn on a Graham Road. Again, it has a divider. This is gonna be two-way. Just slow down because you're gonna be more to the right. Okay, and we're gonna make a left turn again. Again, this is a regular stop sign. We're gonna stop it twice. First time we stop, no pedestrian. Second time we stop, clear the traffic, look right and left, make the turn. Again, you guys have to must stop twice, fully stop on a stop sign in a regular stop sign. Again, you're gonna drive along more to the right side, because this is two-way, no divider. Let's stop here. This is called always stop sign. It's gonna say either say four-way or it's gonna say all-way. Look right and left, nobody's here. Let's go. We're gonna make a left turn. Again, we are on Maple Avenue. Again, the speed limit is 25, so make sure you should drive below 25. Okay, so look at the posted speed limit 25. We're gonna make a left turn here. Again, there is some shopping mall here. Okay, look right and left, just be careful. People coming from both directions. We're gonna make a left turn on this. We're gonna make a turn here, and there is a light. We're gonna make a left turn on a main street. Just stop here, look right and left. Okay, here you go. Again, you are allowed to make a right turn on red light unless they tell you you cannot do so. Okay, here's the green light. I'm gonna make a left turn. Just be careful when you're making the turn. Just not too much of wide. Make sure you follow that your line. Again, this street you can drive 35. It says speed limit is 35, so you should drive below 35, guys. Right on Gerring Way, and also there's people coming in and out from Interstate 84. Alright, so before that you're gonna make a right turn before you get to 84 West or East. Okay, just gonna make a right. Again, here you are not allowed to make a right turn on red. So the first one you're gonna make a right turn on Gerring Way. Okay. Again, it sort of has a divider, so which is good. So you're gonna drive along with the solid yellow line. Again, as I said, there is not much traffic in the industrial area. And then when you come here, they're probably gonna say, okay, pull over to the right, and again, mostly on the gas private surface. So you just want to do pull over to the right, just driving slow, just gonna pull over to the right, and here you go guys. Alright guys, thank you for watching.